Greetings, I Wagwan people. You don't know. Voice of the voiceless, unknown voice is here. So today we are going to talk about some facts. We are trouble Jamaican why the crime and the violence now cease in our country. Alright, so on a regular note, here police ask citizens to bring in information about criminal elements and guns and all kind of things. But them now look on the facts there 99% of the time. Them, because everybody know now, police are the biggest informer, you know, and them also involved in these criminal activities also. Well, most of them, or some of them, if not most. So them are asked the information, and yet still when the information coming to them still leak back information to the criminal and make them know who bring the information in. You see me I say? And how many times this happen? Because there's a situation where I can remember and know that it happened. You see me I say? So what me I say is, officers, police, if you go ask for the people to bring information to you, you don't need to keep on your mouth and hold on your beak. You see me I say? You cannot get information and then leak back information to the criminal elements out there, because you only go create more crime and violence in the society when you do that. You see me? Just imagine now, you ask the information. Me know somebody where they shoot up somebody and me say me bring the information to you. And by the time me bring the information to you by a day or 2 days later, gunman kick off my door and come shoot up me and my family. Then what you tell me say? You tell me say, yo, when me know nothing, I must just keep it to myself, because we can't trust you know. Can't trust you know. Just look on the fact. Just other day in I think Clarendon, where them find much police were involved in a gang. You see me I say? When the citizens them see that, you think say citizens them about trust police to bring information to police? Yeah? They can't go trust police. Not only that again, you have the police them, I say, them want to have a relationship with the citizens them. That not going to happen until the police them clean up the way how them deal with certain situations. And what I mean by that is, first of all, police brutality. We can't deal with that. And if people like myself and others out there are going to see police beat up every day, and I murder people, I beat up people, I treat people unlawfully, then how the hell you know I go expect that we are going to bring information to you, or we are going to trust you know, if share certain information with you know? It's not going to work. It's not going to work, because we are going to see one I treat we bad. You see me I say? And when me talk about this, me I talk from experience. You see me I say? Me I talk from experience, because me as a youth like this way, me no criminal, me no involved in no criminal activity, me no mix up in a them thing there. Me is a working youth, you see me I say? I remember time goes by when I was working, and me leave, it was close to my mother's birthday, and me leave, bring a phone for my mother, because my mother never have no phone, and I bring a phone for my mother for her birthday. And then now me say me I go home back. And the way how the police them stop me and deal with me and talk to me too. Because what they don't realize now, the way how you communicate have a lot to do with how you bring yourself across people. As me I say, them police here in Jamaica, they don't believe in treating people nicely. Hello, good morning sir, we are having a spot check, and we would like to check you know, them little thing that them not deal with people them way there. The way how them see fit to deal with people as them say, hey boy, come here, give me a search. You see me as ready to kick where you put them and them thing there. You see me? And then now them want people to respect them. Nobody now going to respect you if you don't treat people like that. Because you not treat people like that. You see me I say? So people are going to treat you back like that. You see me I say? You don't go around and not kill people innocently. Well, me can't say everybody will not kill innocent, because me no know. But the fact of the ratio is out there. The ratio is out there where it shows that a lot of people get killed innocently and we don't have a thing we don't plant gun from people. We don't need to stop it too. But the main fact of the thing is, if you don't want people to respect you, you don't have to show respect to people. You don't have to clean up the force. As I say, you don't even know why you don't have to call it force. I must be force enforcing it. But you don't have to clean up the force. You don't have to clean up the police entity. You don't have to clean up them something there. So that people can see say, you know mean good for them and not try to bring forth good to the country. But right as it is now, you don't know do nothing good for we. I'm sure you something again. Because police is so corrupt and police is so messed up. If you don't notice, during the pandemic, them say nobody can protest without permit. Nobody can walk the street without permit. And nothing like that. You see me? And many occasions, you see where them lock up people, run up people in a truck, go up in the truck, boy. You see me? Them deal with bigger heads, them deal with the people them away. And then now at the same time now, when government now pay them money, you see them out there at protest in a bungle. Them no member say they must keep the protocol same way as a law enforcing officer, law enforcement officer, whatever they want to call themselves. So them not doing the right thing. What makes you get to find out say yo, the law is only there for some people. You see me? So if you come from uptown, you have enough money and you drive big bad vehicle, yeah man, them will back you. But if you come from the ghetto, the garrison or a low profile community where you don't have money and you don't have certain things, then deal with a different way. And trust me, I have seen that. You see me I say. So based on what me I say is police officers, even the soldier them too. If you don't want people to trust you, you need to first respect the people them. You don't need to stop dealing with the people them like how you not deal with them. You don't need to clean up on the act. You see me I say? You can't go around and not beat up people and not treat people like crap. You see me I say? Yeah, you can't do that. You see me? Because remember uno work for we uno a servant to we a we pay uno whether you want to believe it or not a we pay uno is just mere servant to us, just like the politician them. Uno is servant to us. Without us uno wouldn't have a job. If we get up and decide say yo, if everybody get up and decide say yo, no badness, no murder, no killing, no thief, none of them something, we just have to just hold where we want. We don't have a job, we don't have nothing to do, you see me? So, if you want to start asking people to come in with information, you need to check on yourself, check on your background, check the police force, and make sure say, weed out the corruptive police them, and the Informa police them, you care about people name to gunman and them something, you see me? And then, we can guarantee, say, when we get enough more weapons off the street and enough more criminals off the street. It's me I say? Yeah man, right there so. You don't know, voice of the voiceless, unknown voice. At them.